Sometimes you may want to export a chat with a customer for, say, management purposes. So to do that, you just have to go to the menu again. Under Settings, tap on Chats and select Chat History. Here you can export your chats. Tap on Export Chat and select that particular chat that you have with that particular customer. Say I'm going to select John Doe, and here I can choose the option of where I want to export this chat. I can export it to Gmail, to Bluetooth, to text message, to SMS message, and so forth. So now I'm going to select Gmail. So the chat will be exported in a text file, as you can see here, attached to the email. Then I will just enter the recipient's address and send. That's it.